Welcome back guys. In this tutorial we will see how to get a bottom sheet on pressing a button like this. Before going into the video, subscribe to our channel, comment about the video. Hope you will like it. In our previous tutorial, we have seen how to have a shifting bottom navigation bar with shifting colors. Click the card icon in the top corner to watch it. I have also attached the full playlist along with it. Now I want this floating action button to display the bottom sheet when clicked. Let's see how to have the bottom sheet. Here I have the floating action button. Here we need to make necessary changes within the onPressed function. Use show modal bottom sheet function for the bottom sheet. Let me use the context and pass this in builder. Let me save it now. Here the error says that the function is empty, it should return a container. Now let's use a container and see how the bottom sheet works. So, now you can see the empty sheet. Instead of container, let me use column to list the elements within the bottom sheet. Let me save it now. Now we got the same space as we got while using the container. Within the column, let me use the children widget and within it use list tile to list the options in the bottom sheet. Within this list tile we need to specify the text and the icon for the corresponding text. Let me save it to see the output. Okay, now we got the My Account with icon, but for a single list it shows the full sheet. Let's minimize it now. Within the column set the main axis size as minimum. Now it display exact space for one list. How about adding more? Let me add one more list and check the bottom sheet. Okay, now it works perfectly. We can select the options now, as the onTap function is not implemented. Let me do it now. As of now, let it be an anonymous function. So now, we can tap the list. Let me make another list as refresh button. Now we got all the three options. Likewise you can add more options in the bottom sheet. Let me replace the floating action button to the bottom center, and add some changes to make it look better. Now we got the button in the center docket position. Let me change the appearances of the button. Hope you have learned something. Hit like and subscribe to our channel for more Flutter videos.